Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about how to cure body odor using lemon. But before I start, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. If you have done that already, thank you so much. How to get rid of body odor using lemon. Lemon has so many health benefits, but today we'll be concentrating on how to cure body odor. All kinds of body odor, armpit odor, menstrual odor, using just lemon. If you have body odor, note that perfume does not cover body odor or cure body odor. It will even increase it. I sympathize with you if you have body odor, but please avoid perfume. It will not do you any good. It will even add to it, most especially the one that has high fragrance. Just calm down. I'm here to put an end to your body odor with lemon. I'll be giving you steps on how to cure your body odor. Number one steps, if you have body odor, get lemon. I'll be using orange as my illustration because I was not able to get lemon, but use lemon. Get lemon, cut it into two, get a bowl, squeeze in the juice, and add water. Use it as your spray. After shower, you can use it as your spray. It will stop body odor or prevent body odor. And secondly, what you do is get essential lemon oil. You know what is essential lemon oil? Don't worry, in my subsequent video I'll be teaching you how to make essential lemon oil. You get essential lemon oil, put it in your bath water and soak in for 20 minutes. It will cure your body odor. It will cure it permanently. Or you can add your essential lemon oil in your deodorant. These are the steps to cure body odor. And let's get to armpit odor. If you have armpit odor, this is what you will do. Get lemon, cut it into two. Use one for your left armpit, the other one for your right armpit. Scrub it very well this way. Scrub it very well in your armpit. Scrub it very well. When you're done, the two armpits, the left to the right, when you're done, leave it for 30 to 1 hour before you shower, and it will stop. Do that twice. If you have body odor, do that twice in a week. If you want to prevent body odor, you can do that once in 2 weeks or twice in 2 weeks. This will help you get rid of your armpit odor. Lastly, menstrual odor. It's normal to have menstrual odor because blood smells big, but you can prevent it. This is what you need to do to prevent menstrual odor. Get a warm water, squeeze in your juice, apply it to your lower abdominal. This will stop the smell. Or you can boil water, pour it in a bowl, and squeeze in your lemon juice or your essential lemon oil and sit on it for 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice that black blood is coming out of your body. This will stop menstrual odor. Don't forget that personal hygiene is very important. You need to bathe regularly to stop body odor. Always bathe regularly. In my subsequent video, I will be teaching you how to make lemon body wash and lemon essential oil. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.